Are you sure you want to do that? Boy, we hear that question a lot. We ask that question a lot when we get to a place in life where we see someone about to do something that we're not sure of the outcome, or we think maybe that's going to be dangerous. We go to someone and we kind of do it with urgency, and we're going, are you sure you're going to do that? You sure you want to do that? And we're thinking about the outcome. We've been asked that by people as well, well-meaning people. Sometimes they're saying that out of fear. Sometimes they're saying it out of experience. But we're going to talk about that today. Of course, I'm sure I want to do that. That's the answer. Sometimes, right? So we have a situation in our life, right, that's coming up, whether it relates to real estate or not. Of course, you know that we're in the real estate space, but it's so much really relevant throughout our life and decisions that we make. The decisions that you make when it comes to real estate are huge. They involve a lot of dollars typically. It involves where you live, maybe where your investment is, what the outcome is going to be. You want some certainty, you want some assurance with all of that. And as we're downtown Sioux Falls today and we're walking downtown, there is a flashpoint that occurred with all of this building downtown. This hotel right here was built before downtown was really happening, and they took some risk. These office towers over here at Sharapa 1 and 2, they took some risk to build these businesses, to bring additional apartments to downtown. We were just talking earlier, who are these people that are moving in? Businesses and individuals alike. Where do they work? How much money do they make? How can they afford kind of the top of the market rents? And we're seeing a demographic change. We're seeing that there are more people that are retired living downtown. Some of them are in a position where they're making $150,000, $250,000 a year off their investments. They're very volatile in times that where we have financial turmoil. And we have other people that are just living on their Social Security and a smaller pension, and that's also very cool. And there are home opportunities available for people like that, or that are in that situation as well. But today, when you start to ponder, or someone starts to ask you, are you sure you want to do that? Are you sure that's where you're going? Are you sure? You have to be able to answer with certainty. Where we come into a lot of people's lives, I'm a husband, a dad, a grandpa, a brother, a son, an uncle, right? And a realtor, and a lot of different capacities. People look to me for a lot of advice. I get a lot of people wanting to connect with me every day to ask me questions. Hey, have you got a minute, David? I just would like your opinion. I value your opinion on this thing or that thing, and I'm happy to help. My time gets crunched. I had a call today from a friend who has just moved here from California, actually from Arizona, from California through Arizona to South Dakota. And we just got to talk. We had a minute to just kind of talk about how great life is, how great our God is. We share a mutual faith in the Lord Jesus Christ. And so my temperature really was taken down, and we have mutual certainty of life everlasting because of what God did through his son, Jesus Christ, on the cross of Calvary. And so that really is the great equalizer in all of this stuff. As we were coming downtown, met some friends of ours that are also tenants of the building that we're in, and we're just talking about this certainty that we have, this assurance we have for eternity, puts everything in perspective. So we can do deals, answer phone calls, deal with life's troubles as they come about in each day, and not have to worry. If you're looking for a friend or looking for someone to talk with about what you're going through, think about those conversations you've had, the people that you admire, the people that you would trust with your car keys, the people you would trust with your house keys, the people that you would trust with your bank account with a blank check. And talk to them about the things in life that really matter to you or that you're concerned about. We look forward to bringing you more content like this. If you do like this content and you like this channel, please be sure to follow, subscribe, like, share, all of those things. It helps us grow, get to an audience that's important to you. And we'll talk to you next week. Thanks. Hey, I'm David Shelton. This is how we do an open house. Come on in. Hey, Sioux Falls homeowners, this is how we market your home. Step one is a game plan. We strategize on pricing, timelines, and a killer marketing plan. Step two, get things done. We're gonna declutter and get everything ready to bring in your guests, and we're gonna make it smell good too. Step three, dress to impress. We work with expert interior designers to make your home look spectacular. Step four, picture perfect, professional photos, videos, drone shots, all put together just for you. Now let the show begin.